Hi friends, good morning. Today I am going to show you the two best exercises from the calisthenics discipline, that is the parallel bar dips and close grip push-ups for building and strengthening the triceps muscles. If you are a beginner and are unable to do the dips, then I will show you the step-by-step progressions that will ultimately help you to do your first parallel bar dips. So let's get started. So friends, let's start with the correct biomechanics of the parallel bar dips for triceps. Grab a parallel bar, get on top of it. So if you want to target your triceps muscles, you'll have to slightly lean forward and go down like this. There should be a slight lean if you want to target your triceps. If you go down straight, it will strain your shoulders, and that is not the correct biomechanics. So don't go straight like this. It will strain your shoulders a lot. So there should be a slight lean like this if you want to target your triceps. The more you lean forward, the more it will target your chest. So if you want to target your chest more than your triceps, you will have to lean much forward. So friends, if you are a beginner and you are unable to do the parallel bar dips, then you can do the low bar dips. I will show you the first progression, that is low bar dips with knees bent. Let's get started. You can grab hold of any bench or a stool or chair. Keep your knees bent like this, and from here you can go down. So you can practice this 3 or 4 sets. Because of the support you are getting from the legs, there will be less strain on your triceps, and but this exercise will help you to slowly strengthen your triceps muscles. Let's see once again. So you should bend your elbows like this. Don't shrug from your shoulders. Your chest should be out, and the power should come from your triceps, not from your shoulders. This exercise is good for women also. They can also do this exercise for strengthening. So there is actually misconception in women actually that if they do these kind of exercises, they will develop muscles. I don't think there is a chances of muscles developing, because if you are doing these exercises for strength with few repetitions, there is no chance that women can develop muscles. So now let's start with the second progression. That is now instead of bending your knees, we will straighten the legs. So this is going to be the second phase now. This is going to be much tougher than the first progression. So you can start practicing this second progression after practicing the first progression for 10 or 15 days. So let's see once again. This is the low bar dip for triceps with straight legs. So you can practice this first and second progression for 15 to 20 days. After practicing these two progressions, then we are ready to move to the parallel bar dips. So friends, we are ready for the third progression now. Just grab hold of these parallel bars, and by taking some support from your jump, you can stand like this. Now slowly practice going down. So this one repetition is enough. So keep practicing this. Go down very slowly. So after going up here, you can hold here for 3-4 seconds. This will also develop some strength in your triceps. So when you are going down, you are practicing the negative portion of the parallel bar dips. So after practicing this third progression for around 10 days, and after practicing all the progressions for around 1 month, you can slowly attempt your first dip. But be careful, you should do this only after proper warm up. I'm sure that after practicing the 3 progressions, you will be easily able to do the parallel bar dips after 15 to 20 days. And I can assure you that this is one of the best exercise for building the upper body and for strengthening the upper body. So what if you don't have the parallel bar dips? Then I will show you another option, that is the close grip push-ups. So let's get started with the second exercise, as I promised. That is the close grip push-ups. So friends, let's start with the second exercise, that is close grip push-ups. If you want to target your triceps, you will have to keep a close grip instead of the regular shoulder width grip which is used in push-ups. So let's get started with the close grip push-ups. So friends, if you are unable to do regular push-ups, then the first progression is to practice these incline push-ups. You can take support of a wall or any higher platform like this bench and practice. So because of the effect of gravity, the force will be lesser, and because you are getting some support from your legs also. So this exercise can be done by women also. Again, there can be a misconception that women will develop muscles if they do these kind of exercises. I will once again repeat that if you do few repetitions, then there is no chance of you developing muscles. Another reason why women can't develop muscles is because the testosterone levels in women are only 10% compared to men. So as you build strength, you can slowly decrease the height of this platform. So slowly you can decrease the height. After a few days you can come here. So keep on decreasing the height of this platform as you gain strength. I am sure that after practicing these incline push-ups for 20 to 25 days, you will be able to do the close grip push-ups or the regular push-ups on the floor. So all the best. Thank you. So how many sets of these parallel bar dips should you do? I think 3 to 4 sets is enough, 2 days in a week for building triceps. And if you want to gain strength, you can do these parallel bar dips 3 days in a week or every alternate day. So if you want to gain strength, you should do few repetitions but more sets. And if you want to gain size, then you will have to do very few sets. That is only 3 or 4 sets with maximum repetitions. That is repetitions till failure. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was quite helpful. In the next video, we will see how to develop chest with body weight training. And in the coming month, that is December, I will be focusing on body weight exercises. And by the end of this month, I will promise you that I will bring a complete beginner series in body weight training. And I will lay down a roadmap for the coming year, that is 2021, and I'm going to give you a plan, and I'm absolutely sure that this plan is going to work because I will be focusing on each and every aspect of fitness. So see you guys soon in the next video. Take care, be fit, and don't forget to work out every day for at least 30 to 40 minutes, and this is very much needed in these times. Thank you.